Ever stared at your budget, that meticulously crafted plan for your money, and wondered, can I really do this without a bank account? I mean, everyone talks about linking accounts, automatic transactions, the whole digital shebang. But what if that's not your reality? What if you're unbanked, or simply prefer to handle your finances in cash? Can you need a budget, or an app, still be your financial ally? Let's dive in. Because, honestly, this is a question that pops up more than you might think. We live in a world increasingly dominated by digital transactions, but that doesn't mean everyone has access or preference for it. First, let's address the elephant in the room. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is designed around the concept of giving every dollar a job. It's all about assigning your money to specific categories before you spend it. This fundamental principle remains unchanged, regardless of how you manage your funds. Now, how does this translate to a cash-based system? It's all about manual entry. Forget the automatic imports. You'll be the one entering every transaction, every dollar, every cent. Think of it as a digital cash envelope system. You create your categories in YNAB, just like you would with a regular bank-linked budget. Then, when you receive cash, you manually allocate it to those categories within the app. For example, if you get paid $500 in cash, you'll open YNAB and enter that income. Then, you'll distribute that $500 across your categories: rent, groceries, transportation, entertainment, and so on. Every time you spend cash, you'll immediately record it in YNAB, deducting it from the appropriate category. This process requires discipline. You need to be diligent about entering every transaction, every single time. But here's the silver lining: this hands-on approach can actually deepen your awareness of your spending habits. You're forced to confront every single dollar you spend, making it harder to overspend or lose track of your money. Think of it like this: YNAB becomes a digital ledger. It's a place where you record all your financial activity, even if that activity is solely in cash. It allows you to maintain the core principles of YNAB, giving every dollar a job, embracing your true expenses, rolling with the punches, and aging your money, even without a traditional bank account. Now, there are some practical considerations. You'll need to be organized. Keep your receipts. Maybe even maintain a physical cash envelope system alongside YNAB. When you withdraw cash, record it. When you spend cash, record it. When you get paid cash, record it. The key is consistency. You might also consider using a prepaid debit card. While not a traditional bank account, it can offer some level of digital transaction recording. You could load cash onto the card and then link that card to YNAB for some level of automated tracking, while still retaining the ability to withdraw cash when needed. Ultimately, using YNAB without a bank account is absolutely possible. It requires more effort, more discipline, and a more hands-on approach. But if you're committed to budgeting and managing your money effectively, YNAB can be a powerful tool, regardless of your banking situation. It's not about the mechanics of data import, it's about the philosophy of intentional spending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.